When you're making that decision on a bath vanity, you have to consider that the bathroom can have the highest levels of humidity in your home. And when you choose a nice looking cabinet like this, even though it is very attractive, it does contain a lot of particle board, which is not the best thing to use when you're having a lot of humidity around a particular area. This is a step up. It's called medium density fiber board, and it's less prone to the expansion and contraction that's so common in a bathroom, but still you need to make sure all the edges are sealed. But I actually prefer to go with the old-fashioned cabinet plywood with all of the glue that's used in between the different layers of wood. It holds up very, very well. It doesn't expand and contract very much and is perfect when coupled with real wood for the cabinet doors.